Doing this how to fix you could not sign into an Xbox Live window. So for this first you need to go to apps, and here install apps is start. Click the install app, and you need to scroll down. You have seen the Xbox start. You need to write three dot icon, click it and go to advanced. In this scroll down, you have seen the background app permission. It should be in default, and go to reset and click repair. Sometimes repair will not work like this. In this case, no problem. You directly go and reset it. So make sure it will only reset, and files and folders and account will not reset. So don't panic. It should be just reset the application. The files and folders remain same. So after again go back and go to Xbox Live and click three dot icon and go to advanced option, and make sure same is recommended power optimization, and go to repair. After repair, click reset. Once reset and repair completed, go back and search for services. Click the services. Once this pop-up menu will appear, you need to scroll down and go down, and you have seen the Xbox settings are there. You have seen 4 settings. You need to right click and go to properties, and make sure it should be automatic and running mode. Apply and click OK, and go to second, properties, automatic and running mode, click OK, and go third, properties, automatic or manual. This should be automatic or manual, but should be in running mode, and after click OK. Then after go to Xbox Live, go to properties, then automatic and running mode, then click OK. After that go back, and in this go to settings. In this window update is that, click the window update and make sure your window is up to date. And if any installation pending items, so that means you need to clear it and make your windows up to date. And after updating, you go back and click the and reset the window to make the effectiveness reset.